Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're actually getting ready to go out camping for the weekend, and there's a quick little repair that I need to do on my awning. Last time we were out, it was really hot out, and the boys decided they needed to let the awning out, and the wind picked up, and well, we'll flip it around and I'll show you what happened. Not a major issue, but just had to buy a new part, so I'm just going to show you how to put it in. Super easy. Alright, stick around. Okay, so this is the little piece here off the awning arm. It actually slides up to the top there and catches. So these are just made out of cast aluminum, so if anything goes wrong, they give first before awning arms and things start ripping out of trailers. So that's what happened with this one, is it broke. So the one I've got on the other side is actually off already. There's just a rivet that holds it in. Oops, there's just a rivet that holds it in here. So you can take a file, or I took a drill and just knocked the head off and then just knocked it out real quick with a small punch. And now we're going to put the new one in. So here's the new one here. It comes with a new rivet. You can see that floating around in there. And that's it. Super expensive part, but really easy to replace. Now, if you don't know what you've got, on your awning roll, I'll flip you around here. On your awning roll, you should have a tag like that, and it should tell you exactly what model and make that your awning is. Unless it's really old, and then it might not. You might have to just guess, but usually there's a sticker somewhere on these things that kind of shows you. Here on the awning arm itself, it says A&E Systems by Dometic, so you know that it's a Sun Chaser awning. It's been that way forever, the manual ones anyways. So over on this side here, this is the arm that's actually broken. Put this down here for you. So there you can see I've got the pin knocked out. And so all I need to do here is I pull these two screws out of the end here. So a lot of RV stuff, they use screws as stops for things that slide. So they just put a couple screws in. So I'm just going to take those out, number 2 Robertson, and we'll slide the new piece in, and then I'll pin that rivet over. And we'll put these 2 screws back in here so it doesn't fall out again. That. It's actually blowing today. Abandoned ship here. Alright, so now that's not going to fall out of there again. So now what we're going to do is get the slot that's in here lined up with the arm. You got to be a little bit smarter than the arm. Everything lined up again. So now you can see this is, the rivets just popped over like that. Oh, fighting me again, I'm going to pinch my fingers. I'm just going to pull this down and lock it. Hopefully it'll stay there. Up and out of the way. So now what you want to do is you're going to take 2 hammers. One fairly beefy one, so that's going to be your anvil. And you're going to use the ball of the other one, and you're just going to peen that over just enough so that it doesn't fall out of there. So I'm going to back this up with the other hammer, and I'm just going to use light taps. All right, just like that. Okay, so that's rivets locked in there now. See that? Put that up there. It's locked in nice and tight. Repair complete, just like that. Okay, there you go. Quick and simple repair. Sometimes these things can seem like a daunting task, but they're really not if you just look at them and see how things are put together and whatnot. You know, a couple screws. Most people might not know how to put that rivet in, but just, you know, a tiny little bit of ingenuity, and I'm sure there's a tool for it, but I'm not going to go buy one. I've got a couple hammers that are, you know, hanging around. So anyways, thanks for watching. Appreciate you. We'll see you for the next one.